Presenting LEVERET Multipurpose Plastic Big Revolving Spice Rack. The spice rack comes with 16 or 24 jars which are made of high-quality BPA-free food-grade PP plastic material, and spice rack is made by high-quality ABS thermoplastic which makes this spice rack unbreakable. This spice rack has 360-degree revolving feature which helps to find the desired spice quicker. It will also add beauty to your kitchen area as it has compact design that only takes a small place in your kitchen cabinet. All parts of this spice rack are easily detachable, which helps for easy cleaning, and they are arranged in a symmetrical manner which makes this spice rack more elegant. The jars have transparent body which helps in easy accessibility of spices, and it has rotatable lids with 2-hole section for easy dispense. This spice rack is dishwasher safe, scratch resistant, lightweight and durable. It can be used to store spices, salt, sugar, coffee powder, grams and cereals, etc. The dimensions of this product are 16 cm in length by 14 cm in width by 10 cm in height, and it weighs 250 grams. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.